Hit up everyone, doing eBay box break 159 1112 Ultimate. Here's your last team auctioned off. Good luck to everyone. There's the serial number. And here are the cards. First off, for the Islanders, base of John Tavares out of 399. Next for the Flyers, rookie of Zach Rinaldo out of 399. For the Canadians, got an autographed Ultimate Rookies, Alexei Emelin out of 299. And we got a patch here. Not too bad of a patch. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Joe Vitale, debut threads patch, numbered 46 out of 100. Not too bad. We're done. Thanks everyone for joining. See you next time.